Let's talk to Mike Van Dulken. He's the head of research at Accendo Markets. Very good morning to you, young Mike. Right, we've got two charts to go through on cable. The Great British Pound against the US dollar. Headline, best since Brexit. That looks a nice looking chart, doesn't it?
It is. Now bear in mind it is a weekly chart, so each candlestick represents a week's worth of trading. But we've had that breakout in January already, above 140. You know, we'll all know we've been as high as 142 and a half, if not almost 143. It's a breakout above the trend line of rising highs. Best since Brexit. The question now, can we get back? And it is actually still a long way off, 150, but that is the kind of prior highs to really look at. Albeit it was a spike post the referendum. Perhaps we could dial that trend line back into maybe something more around 146, 147.5. Yep. But whatever the case, it's still strengthening, which represents a hindrance to the FTSE. Don't forget, it was a real beneficiary of the weak pound in the fallout from the referendum. Now that's starting to reverse. More a result of a weaker dollar than it is a stronger pound per se. Yep. But it doesn't matter, it's still a hindrance for the FTSE, and it's what's keeping the FTSE in check for the moment.
Okay, well let's look at the shorter term chart there, the bullish bounce.
Yeah, so this is just to zoom in and look at the levels. Interesting bounce, you know, bang off 140. That trend line keeps the uptrend from the middle of the month intact. So the real level we'd be looking at is another test of 143, if not the high of 143, 457. You know, if you start seeing above 144, you're opening the doors for a return to those kind of very pre-Brexit highs. Don't forget, cable had rallied into the referendum and then sold off from. So you need to go back a little further to look at maybe the normalised levels. But as I said, it represents a real hindrance to the FTSE index based on its significant international exposure to dollar earnings, which once translated with a higher cable rate, give you less pounds.
Mike, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.